What are you buying retail for? Become a member and go direct to the manufacturer as low as $50 a month. Learn more below. Don't worry, you're not going to get the coronavirus. We're practicing social distance. This is the internet. Hey everyone, you're here today with Mark Boutwell here at Perfect Gardens TV. Today we have a series of different videos. We're going to be actually assembling our grow room behind you with Dl Wholesale. So let's go ahead and today get started with some of the first products we're going to be discussing, and we're going to build out a grow room. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below. Hey everyone, so we have another couple accessories for post-harvest. So what do you do with all your product after you have processed it, harvested it, cut it down, after you have graded it and separated out the different materials? Obviously, what do you do with the largest flowers on the plant all the way down to the popcorn nugs and the shake? Well, there's a series of products that Dl Wholesale produces and distributes that helps you out with the post-harvest and allows you to extract the maximum amount of value out of your harvest, so you're able to continue to keep growing and competing against the commercialized system that's happening in the marketplace right now. Today we have Manny here with Dl Wholesale so that he can talk to you about one of his favorite products and one of his favorite brands, all the way from manual to mechanic, and talk and discuss how to use this product efficiently.
So this is one of my favorite products because you can run a large amount of product and just get a fantastic result, whether you're running trim, small popcorn nugs, or even regular nugs, full-size colas. Like, you can put your whole harvest in here and be confident that this is not going to lose any money. This actually could make you more money than just having dry flowers sitting around and losing moisture. You're actually going to be able to extract all of the trichome matter from and essential oils from your plants.
You know, there are so many people out there in the industry. Some of them don't care whether you're using a little bit more hazardous solvent. Other people want the cleanest material, and at the end of the day, when you're using ice and water to freeze the essential oils off the plants and allow them to break off and recollect them and create a 100% natural product that's healthier for your body than using a solvent to extract the essential oils off the plant. It depends upon you and what matters to you as a grower and as a consumer. How much do you care about your temple and what you put into your body? And if you're doing this for yourself and you and your loved ones in a personal situation, some people think it's more time-consuming and intensive to do it. But other people realize the value of it when they're creating something with tender love and care. So it doesn't matter whether you're mechanical and you're using the Bubble Magics, whether it's the 5-gallon. You guys also have a 20-gallon as well, true?
Yes, we do have a larger model, the 20-gallon.
20-gallon, or you're using the 5-gallon manual grow bags right here, which is made by Bubble Magic, or also the manual 20-gallon bags right over here. The 5-gallon kit is in a 3-bag kit set, and at DL or PerfectGardens.com you can get an 8-bag kit set that's a 20-gallon, ranging from 25 microns all the way up to 220 microns, and same over here, all the way from I believe it was 25 microns all the way up to 220 microns, and the center one being 73 microns for the Bubble Magic. Forgetting anything?
So these bags right here, you would just for a little technical know-how, you would fit these around a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket, and you would take this hose and you would place it at the end, at the bottom of the bucket, and this would collect all of your essential oils. So it's very important to keep these silk micron bags clean and to keep any residue off, because this is going to ensure that you're going to be able to make the most of your bags. It's just really, really important. This is the basic way. This same tube will be for the 20-gallon model and the 5-gallon model. Also, every Bubble Magic comes with a 220 micron washing bag to put your product in. The 20-gallon model can hold about, I think, 12 pounds, and the 5-gallon model holds about 2 to 3 pounds. So you can actually run a lot of material in this small one and our bigger models.
Okay, so Manny just brought up a really great point that I missed, and I apologize on that. If you are doing this manually, you can use ice and water and actually use these bags and manually separate it. But if you are using this mechanical system, the mechanical system comes with its own 220 micron washable bag that goes in the machine. But you're definitely going to want to get one or the other, because you're going to have to process the water that's coming out of the machine through these bags to recollect the essential oils off the plants. So Manny, I appreciate you explaining the process, and I am going to go ahead. We're going to add this product to our grow room that we've been building out, showing you all the accessories that you can add into your product. That so many people just talk about the grow, the bulb, the hood, the ballast, and the tent, but a lot of other people don't talk about all the other things that you could be using in your grow room to maximize your ROI and and maximize your quality throughout the harvest.
Tell your local hydroponic store to tap in with DL Wholesale.
And thank you so much. Have a great day.
Wait! What are you buying retail for? Become a member and go direct to the manufacturer, as low as $50 a month. Learn more below. Don't worry, you're not going to get the coronavirus. We're practicing social distance. This is the internet. Thank you so much. And once again, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below so that you can watch the next potentially 20 to 30 videos building out this grow room behind us.